Okay, so what's the common theme for this amazing smorgasbord of chow? Well, let's look at this. This date says 5/17/19. This date says 6/2/19. June 2nd, 2019. And Carolina Pride says 6/15/19. So what's the issue here? Well, the issue is today is July 25th. Expired. You want to guess with me? Expired. Oh, it's such a waste. I had literally threw this stuff out in the trash yesterday, day before yesterday. And the spectacular trash pickup service I pay for did their usual bang up job and not actually picked it up. So maybe that's a hint for me to do a shame fail video. I've got to learn how to, and this probably costs $3 to $5 as well. So we're looking at about $15 worth of food here. I mean, yeah, that's not that much, but that's still a lot for somebody on a budget. Somebody that can't afford to waste food. And that much in a short period of time would add up to hundreds of dollars over a year or more. Would it not? So I decided to get it out of the trash, bring it in. I put a towel down so I wouldn't mess up my vacuum board here in case it leaked any fluids or something. But this is like an epic fail thing. I was so looking forward to that bacon, but never had a chance to get up and cook it. Time goes by really, really quick. So what I'm going to have to learn to do more than anything else is meal planning. Let me move this over here real quick and I'll show you something else. Okay, so this doesn't work. Sadly enough, what I wanted to do was write down which date things were going to expire and stuff like that. Problem is usually a lot of the groceries that you buy don't expire within the same month. And you got 5 weeks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count with me. You have 5 weeks. So what are you supposed to do? Like line up a row of these all the way down the fridge? I don't think that would work. These magnets here are 100-pound pull straight out, but they're not nearly as much pull coming down. So you need a lot of pull in order to hold a big calendar up. This was the largest calendar that I could find. It looks pretty straight. So, this is July, April, May, June, July. Okay. So all these are different colors, different patterns. It's a really nice calendar. I could point out that nothing is going to work if you don't use it. And then you could go in here and put, let's see, today is the 25th. You could put pork tenderloin. Expires today, and it's got to be cooked, although it expired a month ago. The thing is, I think this would work a lot better, and you can go out months in advance. So when I buy something, let me find something here. Hold on. What we got here? Oh, something else before I forget. If you open this, which I have, I just like to seal it back as best I can. Once it's open, let's see, it has an expiration of September 6, 2019. But once you open it, I opened it today. You've got like, what, 5 or 6 days to eat out of it before it's bad. So you put the date you open it, or it might be better to put the day it's no longer any good, which would be July 30th. Maybe I should have put the 30th here. But I put a piece of tape over it. After I wrote on it, I put a piece of tape over so it wouldn't wipe off. I put tape over the magic marker thing, the dry erase marker. So I can put on here, let's see, rotisserie chicken. And you know when it expires. What is this? Does this have a date? Technically this says April 2019. So this is probably already expired as well. Is that what that says? By 08 April 2019. So that ain't no good either. April, May, June, July. Oh. I don't have anything that's in the future far enough. What about these? Is that an expiration date? Okay, this says 13 February 2020. Hard to read, but 13 February 2020. So, is February on here still? Nope. Okay, so there's already a flaw in that one. So I have to get the other one, or the new one, and stick it up under this one. You can write it out here. Although technically this ain't gonna go bad in the freezer anyway, though. But I'm still trying to learn. If you have any suggestions or comments, leave them in the question and comment suggestion section area thingy. Let me know how you do it. Do you have a great way of making sure nothing goes bad? Thank you for watching. I gotta get that stinky food out here. It's stinking up the whole house.